Here is how to turn off Gemini in Gmail. Gmail lets its AI use your email content, and the switch is on by default, but turning it off takes 1 minute and 2 checkboxes. Here's exactly where they hide. I'm on a Google Pixel, but this works in the Gmail app on any Android phone. First, open your Gmail app. Tap the menu icon. That's the 3 lines in the top left-hand corner. Now, scroll all the way down and tap Settings. Choose the email address you want to turn it off for. Scroll to Smart Features. Now read what that checkbox says. You agree to let Gmail, Chat, and Meet use your email, chat, and video content. Uncheck it. That's Switch 1. Now, just below it, tap Google Workspace Smart Features. This opens a new screen, Smart Features in Google Workspace, with one master checkbox. Look at Google's own list of what it powers. Look at the third item specifically. Ask Gemini to summarize content, create drafts, and find key information. That is Switch 2. This checkbox is Gemini's door into your inbox. Uncheck it. Now, both doors are closed. Gemini's access to your inbox is off. Now, here is the Genie tip. If you have more than one Gmail account, this only covered the one you tapped. Repeat it for every address. Each account has its own switch. Fair warning though, Google's own list says this switch powers events from Gmail showing in your calendar, flight itineraries, invitations. And watch the package tracking checkbox. Grayed out the moment the master switch went off. That's the trade. Your inbox stays out of the AI, but those conveniences stop. That's it. If this helped, subscribe. I drop these every week. See you in the next one.